Hello friends, welcome once again to Desi Exploring Europe. Today we are in a hidden gem in Italy, the city of Ancona. Ancona is renowned for its stunning coastline along the Adriatic Sea. Its historic landmarks like the 11th century Ancona Cathedral, and it offers cultural heritage and natural beauty. The best way to reach Ancona is by train or car from major Italian cities like Rome, or via ferry services from Croatia and Greece. Thanks to its strategic port location, we are here with the MSC Cruise MSC Lyrica. Other cruises that visit Ancona includes Costa, Aida and TUI. All of them often feature stops at this charming Adriatic location. Hi friends.
हेलो।
अब हम हैं इटलीज अनकोना में, इटलीज हिडन जेम अनकोना।
यस।
To fully explore Ancona, 2 to 3 days are ideal, allowing time for its historic sites, scenic vistas, and sampling the local Marche cuisine. अंकोना की गलियों में घूमते हुए
चलिए हमारे से।
The best time to visit Ancona is from late spring to early autumn, when the weather is perfect for exploring its beaches, historic sites, and vibrant outdoor events. Friends, we are on the cruise tour, so we will be uploading more videos. Don't miss to subscribe to our channel.